Climate change. Hi, I'm Ria. I'm really worried about climate change.
Hi, I'm Sid. I'm worried about it too.
Hey, have you heard about climate change? It's all over the news.
Yeah, I know. It's when the Earth's temperature gets hotter because of too much pollution and stuff, right?
Exactly. It's caused by things like burning fossil fuels, which release a lot of carbon dioxide into the air, trapping heat and making the planet warmer.
That's not good at all. I read that the ice in the polar regions is melting, and that can cause sea levels to rise.
Yeah, and that can lead to flooding in coastal areas, affecting people, animals, and even entire cities. It's scary to think about.
And I heard that some animals are losing their homes because of deforestation. We're cutting down too many trees.
Right, that's a big problem. Trees help absorb carbon dioxide, so cutting them down makes the climate change situation even worse.
So, what can we do? Can we stop climate change?
We can definitely try. People are talking about using cleaner energy sources like wind and solar power instead of burning fossil fuels.
And maybe we could use bicycles or walk more instead of using cars that use gasoline.
Absolutely. Every little bit helps. We can also reduce, reuse, and recycle to produce less waste.
Maybe we could tell our parents and friends about it too, so they know how important it is to take care of the earth.
That's a great idea. The more people who know about it, the better chance we have of making positive changes.
It's nice to know that even though we're just kids, we can still do things to make a difference.
Definitely. If everyone works together, we can protect our planet and make sure it's a good place for us and future generations.
Let's start by doing what we can and encouraging others to join in. Imagine the earth as a big home for all the people, animals, and plants. Just like how you use a blanket to stay warm at night, the earth has its own blanket made of air. This blanket is called the atmosphere.
Now, when people use things like cars, factories, and machines that burn special stuff called fossil fuels like oil and coal, they make something called carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide goes up into the air and wraps around the earth like a thicker blanket.
When the earth's blanket gets too thick, it starts to get warmer. This warming can melt ice in cold places, make oceans rise and cover more land, and change the weather in different parts of the world. This is what we call climate change.
But don't worry, there are things we can do to help. We can use less energy by turning off lights when we're not using them and using less electricity. We can also plant trees because they like to eat up that extra carbon dioxide. And we can use things like wind and sunlight to make energy, which doesn't make the Earth's blanket thicker.
Remember, just like we take care of our toys and pets, we need to take care of the earth too. It's our special home, and by being kind to it, we can help stop climate change and keep it a nice place for everyone.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.